Hey guys, and welcome back to another one of my Fall Friday makeup series, which I hope is what I'm calling it. I'm thinking about doing a bronzy makeup look today. I don't know if I've done a bronzed look yet, but I wanted to use the Zodiac palette from Beige Cosmetics. The Zodiac Love Signs palette. It is not my favorite palette. The formula is really good. I just don't like the layout. I find I don't reach for it a lot. But yeah, thank you guys as always for watching. And let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the eyes today, and I've already primed my eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer. I think I'm gonna start off with the shade Cancer, which is this one right here. It's kind of like a mustard shade, and I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyelid as my transition shade today. Formula is really good on these shadows. Everything blends really nicely. I just don't like this palette much. I think it's the layout. It kind of weirds me out a little bit. I think it's like a nice specialty palette. It's different. You don't usually find palettes that look like this in the drugstore or at a drugstore price. So I think if you're looking for something like special or unique, this might be a nice palette to own. I think I'm going to dip into Virgo, the matte Virgo. And I'm going to apply this as well into the crease. Just a little bit to start, and then I'm going to blend it out carefully. I'm going to take the shade Cancer again and buff around the edges of the Virgo shade. Then I'm going to take a smaller brush. I guess I'm going to start with Taurus, this one. And I'm going to use this on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to now dip into Pisces. I don't know a lot of Pisces. I was thinking about that. Most of my family and friend groups are all from like the same, all have the same signs. And then I was thinking, I'm like, I don't know a lot of Pisces. I think I maybe know one or two maybe. I don't even know if I know two. I think I know one for sure. I'm going to go back into Cancer, the matte Cancer, and just blend a little bit around here. My favorite sign, like I think some of the best people that I know are Virgos. This might ruin the look, but I really want to try it. I'm going to take the matte Aquarius shade. It's like a matte emerald or forest green, I guess. I'm applying this just on the outer corner. My grandma is an Aquarius, and my sister's fiance is an Aquarius. My other sister and my dad are Geminis, and then my oldest sister and my youngest sister, they are Aries. And my mom is Sagittarius. My grandpa was also a Gemini. I have a lot of Geminis in my family. Actually, I don't mind that shade in the outer corner, so I'm going to just work on building it up a little bit so that the green comes through a bit more, because I think right now it's looking more black. And I kind of do like the green, so I'm going to just build it up a teeny bit more in the outer corner. I'm going to take a little bit of the matte Virgo shade, which was the orangey red shade, and I'm just going to build that into the crease a little bit more. If my stomach is growling and you guys can hear it, it is because I just finished work and I wanted to film a video in natural lighting before my sun goes down. Obviously I had to film it before I started eating dinner. So if you hear my stomach growling, it's because I'm so hungry. Just adding a little bit more Pisces. Okay, I am going to leave the eyes at that. I thought I was going to add some glitter to my this makeup look. I might still add a little bit of glitter. I don't know yet. But before I do that, I want to just go on to my face. My Milani Prime Light Primer. Some L'Oreal BB Cream. I also really like Tauruses. Some of the best people I know are Tauruses, if that makes sense. Virgo, Taurus, and Leos are my 3 favorite signs. Usual concealer, L'Oreal, Age Perfect, Creamy Beige. I don't really know a lot of Cancer, and I don't know a lot of Capricorns. Scorpio. Scorpio is kind of scaring me, but I also don't know very many of them. Well, I know a few Scorpios. Use some of my bronzer. I sometimes feel like when I'm filming in natural lighting, the color looks really, really warm. I don't know if that's my camera trying to like adjust the white balance or something. I don't know, it just feels like it's quite warm. Well, sometimes it looks really like blue toned, and then like today it looks really warm. Taking my Hustle and Glow stick blush from Wet n Wild. And I'm going to apply some powder, some setting spray, and do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'll be back to finish off the eyes and lips. Okay, I'm worried that I ruined the look by adding liner, but I just wanted to add some black wings because I think I want to try falsies today. But before we do that, I wanted to add a little bit of glitter. Not like a lot because I don't want to go overboard, but I do want to add a little bit of glitter. So I'm just going to apply some of this glitter glue from NYX. I'm going to take the NYX glitter in the shade Bronze, and I'm going to just apply some sparkles. Probably regret this tomorrow when I find sparkles all over my face. Really just don't wear glitter that much, so I thought it would be nice to do a slightly more glittery look. I'm going to curl my lashes, pop on some mascara and some falsies maybe, I don't know yet, and then I will, oh, you know what, actually before I do that, why don't I just finish the lower lash line before I hop off again. So I'm going to take the shade Cancer, the matte Cancer shade, which is this guy right here, and I am going to run that along the lower lash line. Take the matte Virgo, apply this just on the outer half of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the matte Aquarius, which is the green. And just apply that on the outer corner of my lower lash line and kind of connect it to that winged liner. Mascara and then lashes, and then I will be back to finish off this makeup look finally. Okay, so I just applied some mascara to my lower and upper lashes, and then I put on the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies, and they do not look great. Just don't know how to apply lashes. No matter how many videos and tutorials I watch, I just can't master this. I even cut them so that they weren't so long and that they're only really on the outer 2/3 of my eye, but it's so hard to do lashes. I really hate lashes. Hopefully you can ignore the lashes and just look at the sparkles on the eyes so you can kind of see what that NYX glitter looks like. Okay, and I need to wrap up this video because we are losing sun by the second, so I'm going to apply some lip color, and this is the Colourpop Money Moves Matte Lipstick. And that sums up this makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this makeup series. Let me know if you want me to make this like a thing. I was thinking I could do like winter makeup Wednesdays or like spring makeup Sundays or something like that. For every season, let me know how you like this style of series or videos. Thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and I will see you in my next one.